We are living in a world of imagination. If I say to the average person who believes in God, the whole vast world was created by God. We are living in a world of God. They would bow and admit to that. But let me say, the world in which we live is a world of imagination. And they hold their hand up. Wait a minute. This is real. What you imagine is unreal. And yet everything they tell me is real was once only imagined. The clothes you wear had to be first imagined. The chairs in which you are seated. The building in which we are now housed. Everything first had to be imagined before it was objectified and executed in this world. So what is now real to us and seemingly an objective fact was once only imagined. We had to imagine going to the moon before we did it. And everything here was in the potter's hand. And that potter is your own wonderful human imagination. Everything in this world that we call natural has an imaginal cause and not a natural cause. A natural cause only seems. It is a delusion